One song can get you paid $7, two songs $14, 10 songs $70, and so on and so forth. As you can see, I have around $800 into my account balance from this platform. If you just want to make some pocket money, you want to make some extra money while listening to music, then let us begin with a step-by-step tutorial. And by the way, I also want to show you all these different people who are already making money using this platform every single day. People from all over the world are using it to make money while listening to music, and I want to show you exactly how they are doing this. Now, these are all the different ways that you can withdraw your money from this platform. You can use PayPal, you can use Payer, Web Money, Perfect Money. You can also withdraw via Bitcoin, Ethereum, like all sorts of different things. So for the step number one, I just wanted to go there and sign them to one of these platforms so you can actually receive your money. So if you want to use PayPal, simply go to paypal.com and then create an account so you can receive your money. And by the way, as you can see, the minimum payout is just $1, so you don't have to have like thousands of dollars into your account in order to withdraw. If you want to use Payer, go sign up to Payer credit your account so you can actually receive the money that you make with this platform. Then for step number 2, you will need to go over to pixabay.com and then click on music, or just go directly to pixabay.com music. And basically Pixabay is a copyright free platform. They provide you with copyright free material and resources, whether those are photos, videos, or even music. And copyright free means that you are able to re-upload the content that is on this platform to any other platform with no attribution to the author. They basically give you full license and full rights to actually do that, and you don't even have to pay for anything. So basically, once you come over to pixabay.com music, you can find a lot of different songs in a lot of different genres. As you can see on the left hand side, you can select electronic, beat, beautiful plays, hip hop, main, idol, modern, classic, and a lot more. Like there's a lot of different songs like this, like thousands upon thousands of different songs that you can find in pixabay.com music, and each of these songs can make you approximately $7 again and again. So what you can simply do to start listening to one of these songs is you can just press this button right over here, and then the song is going to start playing, and I want to listen to them. So listen, for example, to this song right over here, and then if you like it, if you think other people would also like it, if you think like it's boring or no one would like it, then ignore it. So first of all, you will need to listen to those songs. You will need to listen to some music here and find something that you actually think you like and that other people will potentially like as well. And that's extremely important. So honestly, inspiring, emotional, uplifting piano, I'm not really sure if someone would actually listen to that. So I will go and maybe with or actually hip hop. That's actually a really good one. So I'll go with some upbeat one. So let's listen to this one here. Alright, do you like the song? Let me know in the comment section below. But yeah, I'm gonna go with this one. I like it and I have listened to it. So now what you need to do is just press the download button right over here. So just click download and that song will be onto your computer now. I want you to repeat the same thing again and again. The more of these songs that you listen to and the more of them you download, the more money you will be able to make, and actually like the higher passive income stream you will get. So maybe I'm also gonna go with this one. Let's say I have 2 songs right now. So let's say also this one. This is the 3rd song and I'm ready to go now. Obviously download at least like 15 to 20 of these songs. Once again, the more of them the better, and then proceed to the step number 3. And the step number 3 is to go over to the platform, and the platform is called upforever.org. Up Forever is a platform where you can upload different things, upload different files and get paid while doing that. So this is a file sharing free cloud storage. Basically, not only they will allow you to upload your files for free, but they also pay you when you do that. So as you can see, You can upload your files safely and withdraw profits from the various payment methods and convert the profit into different products. Like you can also get rewards and products and gifts and whatnot. And the reason they are paying you is because when someone you know downloads that file that you uploaded to Up Forever, they will be shown some ads. So they'll basically be sent to a landing page for ads which they can skip, and once they skip those ads, basically this platform is just sharing the ad revenue with you. They are splitting the other revenue with you, and that's how both you and the platform are making money. And these files can also be like photos, videos, PDF documents, text documents, and can also be music. So what you can simply do is you can of course first of all go through the platform, see if you like it or not, and yeah, it's absolutely free. You don't have to spend any money on the premium membership or whatever, like it's $0 forever. And then you will just need to sign up to the platform. So there's gonna be a sign up button right over here where you will be then enter some basic details about yourself, like your first name, last name, email address, create a password, and that's it. And then you have an account, and then you will be able to log in by pressing the login button right over here. And as you can see, I have instantly logged in. You can press on make money to see how this actually works. But as you can see, you will be paid over 1,000 downloads in different areas. So now how much you are gonna be paid depends on where the people are coming from, the people who actually download those files. So in this case, who download the music and those songs which you uploaded from Pixabay. And as you can see, if they are coming from tier 4 countries, you will be paid $3 per 1,000 downloads. Either coming from top tier 1 countries, you will be paid $7 per 1,000 downloads. And if you scroll a little bit down, you can also see all the different payment methods. As I mentioned earlier, if you want to use like Bitcoin and Ethereum, you would need to have at least $100 into your account. So the minimum amount which you can withdraw from your payment method is written over here on each payment method. So now let me actually go to my account so I can show you how this actually works. You can see all the different features that they have, but the most important one right now is to upload files feature. So click on upload files and then click on choose a file and just upload one of those songs you previously downloaded from Pixabay Music. You can also write a brief description. You can also change the title, and then you want to select it to be public, as well as you want to make sure that it's public so that other people can see that on the platform and can download that song. And then just click on start the upload. Let it just upload. Like, it really depends on your internet connection how fast that's gonna be, but then basically you can just open it up right over here, and then you can also share this link. Whenever someone clicks on this link and they download that song, you will be paid for that. So you can edit this song. You can also set the price. So for example, you can set the price to $7 for the song and just click submit. And now whenever someone downloads the song, you will be paid $7. And the reason people will download these songs is because they want to use copyright free music in their videos, in their YouTube videos, in their commercials and stuff like that. And these songs are entirely copyright free. So a lot of people don't even know that they can use pixabay.com music to find these songs. So they would just go to Up Forever, and when they download that, you could get paid $7 per song download. And more of those songs that you upload, the higher chances of making more money you will have now. Obviously, it takes a lot of time to actually reach people with this platform, and you will need to be promoting your link across different social media networks to attract people to download your songs. I really hope you have learned something new in this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like down below this video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll meet you in the next one.